This edition of MacVoices is sponsored by Smile, the makers of my most used productivity utility, Text Expander. Get more done faster. Find out more at smilesoftware.com. Hi, I'm Chuck Joyner, and this is MacVoices in San Francisco at Macworld iWorld 2014. We're in the Kanex booth talking to Tracy about some of the cool products they're showing here. Tracy, it's great to see you.
Hi, thanks for having us.
Hey, thank you for being here. So I know you have so many great products, but what are you showcasing at the show?
Well, we've got three main products that we're showing this year. One of them is the Multi-Sync Keyboard, and it allows you to pair up to 3 devices to one keyboard. So like most Mac users, you've got your iMac, you've got your iPhone and your iPad sitting right next to it. So this way you can just take one keyboard and type between all 3 devices. It's got Bluetooth shortcut keys so you can easily toggle, and a full numeric keypad.
So it's a very nice looking device, and we just have three buttons that lets me tell which one I want it to go to.
Exactly, and it also includes a USB wire, so you can have a USB connection as well.
Oh, so I have the option.
Yes.
That's a very nice feature. That's a very nice feature. How long does it take to switch between devices?
It's instantaneous. Sometimes there's a little bit of lag, but you can instantly switch between your devices.
And it's a full keyboard too, with the numeric keypad and everything, so that's another very nice feature.
This is the wireless Apple keyboard that Apple users want to use because it's got the full numeric keypad.
And what kind of pricing is there for this?
This is $69.
What else do we have?
We also have SimpleDock. It's also for MacBook. And SimpleDock is a docking station for your MacBook. It adds 3 USB 3.0 ports and gigabit Ethernet. And it's also got a dedicated charging port so that you can have your iPhone handy while you're working on your computer.
I think we have one back here, and I think I'm hiding it actually. Ooh, I just broke it, sorry.
It's nice and heavy.
It is.
It's really sturdy, so it keeps your cables down, cable management in the back, and it's nice and weighty. It matches perfectly with your MacBook with the zinc alloy. So it's got a nice feel to it, and it's a great design.
Yeah, and frankly, when I went to pick it up, I was surprised. That's why it fell, because I didn't realize it was going to be quite that heavy.
Yeah, it's nice and heavy, and so we encourage people to feel it, and it's a nice quality product, and it adds all these extra ports to your MacBook. So.
Now, I'm sorry, these are USB 2 or 3?
That's a USB 3.0 ports and gigabit Ethernet.
Great. And what's the price point on this?
SimpleDock is $119.
Great, great. And I also asked you to bring me over and show me the mySpot, and of course in this little alcove here we have it actually plugged in and working. Tell me about the mySpot.
So mySpot is a pocket-sized Wi-Fi connection. It's an access point. So you plug in your internet here and it creates its own Wi-Fi signal. It's ideal when you're staying in a hotel room and the Wi-Fi is really spotty and pretty weak, and you can create your own signal.
So is this a full router? I mean, do I have controls like security and all, or is this just broadcasting mindlessly?
Yeah, you absolutely have control. You can set your own password to it so that only you have access to it.
Okay. It's a great, I mean, it's a compact little device, so it's not going to take up any room in my luggage or my backpack or whatever. And that is a nice option, because so many places they give you one connection and they charge you for anything additional. This way I can plug in once and have all my devices available.
Yeah, it broadcasts a signal so you can start adding all your devices and instantly have Wi-Fi. We wanted to keep it small and compact, so you just use USB to charge it and you're good to go.
And the pricing for mySpot is?
mySpot is $49.
So again, very affordable. Everything here is very affordable, adds a lot of function, and Kanex has a great name in the community, so we know it's quality.
Yeah, we know our Apple users really have an eye for design, so we wanted to make products that look good too.
The website where folks can go to learn more about all this and maybe get their own is
KanexLive.com.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Folks, I'm Chuck Joyner. We'll have more from Macworld iWorld 2014 in San Francisco. Thanks for watching. Camera work by John Zakowski of Azimuth Productions Video San Francisco at videosanfrancisco.com. Visit MacVoices.com for links, show notes, to subscribe, to connect with Chuck on Twitter, app.net, Google+, and Facebook. Subscribe to our weekly newsletter, the MacVoices Dispatch, to stay up to date with all the latest MacVoices news from our front page or at macvoices.com/newsletter. Advertising and sponsorships handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com.